everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from another bank account into your Chime account using Chime app. So let's start. First, open a Chime app on your phone and then click Move Money. Now in the next page, all you have to do is click Transfer from other banks. So this lets you add money from external account by linking it to Chime. Then click Link your external account. So Chime uses a service that called Play to connect your bank securely. All you have to do is now to click Continue. Now, you can either scroll through the list or search for your bank using the search bar. So let's say I choose Huntington Bank. Once you choose your bank, just enter your username and password for that and then click Submit. Now it may ask you to verify, just follow the prompt. You can verify through text, phone or email. Once you verify, you will see your bank account list. Make sure it's select and then tap Continue. And now you will see a message that says Success, your account has been successfully linked to Chime. Once you read that, just click Continue. And here the next step is just confirm it. And now the main part. Just enter the amount you want to send to Chime. Let's say I want to send $5. I just type that in and then all I have to do is just click transfer. And you will see a screen to review the details. It will show you the transfer date and amount. If everything looks good, all you have to do is just click confirm transfer. And now in the screen, there will be a message that says transfer request. That means the money is on its way. And just a heads up, transfer can take up to 7 business days to complete. So don't worry if it doesn't show up right away. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.